Welcome to online classes. St. Joseph School, Jhajjar. Food, idea, and personality. These three things have specific importance in our life. Among these three important things, food is the most important because we think as we eat. If we eat nothing, we cannot get good idea in our mind. Our idea makes our personality and also a unique student. So, a student should always follow a healthy and balanced food. List of beneficial foods for students. The first is water. Water is the most important drink for human being. Drink water at every 45 minutes. Drink water at least after 30 minutes after every meal. Must take a little hot water in the morning. The second is milk. Milk gives you energy. Must take milk in your diet. Some children don't like to take milk. In this case, mix any extra drink in it, like Bournvita, Complan, or any chocolate flavor, and make milk tasty. The third is vegetables. Green vegetables keep your eyesight strong. Must include salad in your diet. Mushroom is called magic mushroom. It gives you magical benefits to your mind and heart. Paneer gives you high level proteins. Fruits must take an apple every day. It makes your bone strong. Dry fruits. Almond makes your mind and memory power very strong. The next is non-veg. Try to take non-veg 2 times in a month. Taking non-veg many times is not beneficial for students. Now, very harmful food for students. Wafers, cold drink, fast or junk food, chocolates cause stomach pain and toothache. We can find the result of these bad things during our class in school. This all can cause severe liver problem. So take this occasionally and try to have homemade things. So, my dear students, eat healthy and stay fit and fine. Must brush 2 times in a day, especially after dinner. Must like and share this video more and more, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet.